Hello, I'm Jim Frazier, Vice President at ARC Advisory Group. I'd like to take a minute to tell you a little bit about our 25th Annual ARC Forum, which will be held virtually for the first time on February 8th to the 11th, and then on February 16th and 17th for our supply chain and smart city specific topics. The theme for this year's event will be Accelerating Digital Transformation in a Post-COVID World. This very unique event brings together leading industrial, manufacturing, energy, and smart city organizations from around the globe, including Fortune 10 enterprises to small and medium-sized companies, as well as the technology providers that support them. There are a few things that make the ARC Forum very unique, but one of the most valued is that the event is completely user-driven. ARC adheres to a strict policy for our presentations, so sessions feature end-user speakers telling their stories and providing practical advice about industrial innovation free from all marketing hype. By attending, you can learn from peers in the field that represent a spectrum of end users, from those far along in their digital innovation projects to those grappling with the fundamentals of operations. We have a comprehensive program. It includes people and content across the spectrum of industry, from operations and IT professionals driving industrial innovation, supply chain and logistics leaders on the digital front lines, as well as thought leaders in public and private organizations implementing smart city and smart energy initiatives. This year, we'll get Wall Street's take on what has transpired in 2020 that has fundamentally reshaped industry. We'll also examine what to expect in 2021 as markets and manufacturers, supply chains, and those that serve them continue to open back up, innovate, and modernize in parallel. We'll also explore the latest on the drive to innovate industry, covering all aspects of industrial digital innovation, including workforce modernization and culture change, service-based business models, reshoring, sustainability, and technologies like cloud computing, machine learning, edge computing, IoT, cybersecurity, and much more. Lastly, if you are a Digital Transformation Council member, which is our end-user only community, you can register and attend the forum for free. To join the DTC, which is also free to join, please visit the Digital Transformation section under the Product and Services tab at the ARC website at www.arcweb.com. I look forward to seeing all of you at our forum in February. Thank you.